Now, there are conditions to make compromise application to make it acceptable. So that's one way. That's one is incapacity. Let's try to take on this question number 23. Retail Chain Incorporated had been suffering losses for 5 consecutive years. So yung losses na 5 consecutive, so they have received final tax assessment of 2 million. They want to compromise based on financial capacity. Their audited financial statement show that while they are still operating, their accumulated deficit wipe out 60%. Kung mayroong impairment of 50% of the original capital, parang ano yun, 20% na yun. Kalimutan ko. Ah, 10%. Okay? Um, so, they are offering 200,000, 10% to settle the debt. Will this offer be accepted? Okay, what's the answer? For that, I'm going to explain this one. Makikita mo na obviously financial incapacity siya. Then, yung scenario situation, nagkaroon ng deficit nga, more than 50% of that. So, this is one of those cases under the financial incapacity ground. Now, under the regulation kasi, the minimum compromise for the capital impairment is 40 for basic. So, an offer of 10% is low. So, 10% is usually reserved for the net worth to the net worth deficit kung yung nag-negative na or yung nag-stop ka talaga for non-operating. Yun lang yung sa 10%. So, nangyari dito, nag-ask siya below the 40%, which is allowable for that case na impair lang yung capital by 50%. Yung original capital na impair ng 50%. So, ngayon, allowed ba siya kung ganon? Will this offer be accepted based on prescribed rates? Kung based sa prescribed rates, kung titingnan mo, hindi talaga siya ma-accept because the ground capital is only 40%. Pero mayroon niyang mga pagkakataon talaga na pwede siyang ma-allow, but provided it has to be approved by the NAB. Allowed yung pwede ka mag-ask for a compromise na below doon sa siniset na minimum compromise settlement ng batas. Pwede ka mag-ask pa rin doon. Okay? But following the regular, I think the intention of this one is for you to know kung alam mo ba yung magkano yung capital impairment by more than 50%, magkano yung yung compromise rate. So yun yung punto dito. So dito you are misled by 10%. So you get the wrong answer uh, like letter D maybe. Sorry, letter A. But again, the answer is letter C. Now, paano kung the retail chain total liabilities of 12? So, ito naman ay negative. So, therefore, the 10% is acceptable. Pag ganun. Okay? Kasi nga, net worth is deficit.